morning, children. Good morning, ma'am. You know, children, yesterday I went to the zoo and I saw many wild animals that are in wild nature. Have you ever met any wild animal? Or have you visited any zoo? Yes or no? So do you know about wild animal? So tell me some wild animal name. Elephant, giraffe and tiger. Okay, let's see. What is this? This one? This is? No, this is giraffe. This is giraffe. This is zebra. This is lion. This one monkey. And this is? And this is? Very good. These all are wild animals. Wild animals live in a forest and find their own food and shelter. Okay, children? See, who is the king of the jungle?
Lion.
Atriba, tell me which animal has long neck? Show me the giraffe.
This is the giraffe.
Avantika, tell me which animal has long trunk?
Elephant.
Anishka, what is our national animal?
Tiger.
Kitan, which animal loves to eat banana? Show me.
Monkey.
Okay, Obimunnu, which animal has yellow and black stripes on his body?
Tiger.
Show me.
Tiger.
Which animal has black and white stripes on his body?
Zebra.
Tell me which is the fastest animal? Fastest.
Cheetah. Cheetah.
Which animal has a pouch on his belly to carrying her children?
Kangaroo.
Arahi, which is the largest land animal?
Elephant.
Okay, Ardansika, tell me which animal can live on both water and land?